Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm super excited to share with you something that's been gaining a lot of attention recently: foldable tiny houses for sale. These innovative and compact homes are perfect for those looking to downsize or live a more minimalist lifestyle. And let me tell you, they are absolutely adorable. In this video, I'll be showing you some of the coolest foldable tiny houses on the market right now. From sleek and modern designs to cozy and rustic cabins, there's something for everyone. I'll also be discussing the benefits of living in a foldable tiny house, including cost savings, environmental impact, and mobility. But it's not just about the homes themselves, it's also about the community that comes with it. Many foldable tiny house owners are part of a growing movement towards sustainable living and intentional communities. I'll be chatting with some homeowners and sharing their experiences and insights about living in a foldable tiny house. So if you're someone who's looking for a unique and affordable housing option or just curious about the tiny house movement, then this video is for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. And let me know in the comments below if you would ever consider living in a foldable tiny house. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.